Have you noticed it's getting harder to stand up? Your legs feel heavier? Or you need to lean on something to rise from a chair? You might think it's just aging. But what if I told you it's not just that? There's a silent cause behind weak, tired legs after 60, and it's fixable. Let's talk about 2 vitamins your body may be quietly starving for, and how restoring them can rebuild your strength fast. You don't need a fall to know something's wrong. Maybe your legs shake when walking uphill, ... Or you hesitate when stepping off a curb. These aren't just senior moments. They're early signs your body is struggling with something deeper, age-related muscle decline, or sarcopenia, and behind it, quiet nutritional breakdown. Muscle strength doesn't vanish overnight, it fades, till one day you feel like your legs don't respond the way they used to. Start with the most underestimated player, vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 isn't just about bone health. It's the switch that powers your muscle fibers to contract, move, and stabilize you. Without it, you lose balance, your legs tire faster, and your steps become unsteady. After 60, your body makes less D3, even if you're in the sun. Your skin doesn't produce as much, your kidneys and liver convert it slower, and time indoors adds up signs of low D3. Legs feel heavy, trouble climbing stairs, cramping at night. Slow reaction time, but here's the encouraging news. A study in the UK found that seniors who took 800 IU of D3 daily improved their leg strength by nearly 20% in just 5 days. D3 also helps your body absorb calcium, repair tissue, and even enhance your mood. When and how to take it? Take it in the morning with a meal that includes healthy fats like eggs or yogurt. Typical dose: 800 to 2000 IU per day. Never take right before bed. It can disrupt sleep next. Vitamin B12. The communication line between your brain and your legs. B12 keeps your nerves healthy, which is critical for balance and coordination. Low B12 causes your muscles to misfire, making your legs feel disconnected, clumsy, or even numb. You might be low in B12 if you feel tingling or numbness in your feet, drop things, or feel awkward standing. Struggle with brain fog, mood swings, or low motivation after 60? Your body absorbs B12 poorly, especially if you take acid-reducing meds like omeprazole, eat less meat or dairy, drink alcohol regularly. Scientific insight. Oxford researchers found that low B12 levels more than doubled the risk of falling in older adults. How to take it? Methylcobalamin form. Active B12 500 to 1000 micrograms per day. Take mid-morning or lunchtime and avoid coffee or tea within 1 hour. D3 gives your muscles power. B12 gives them control. But what about energy, the fuel that makes it all possible? There's a third nutrient that most seniors don't even know they're missing. When you add it to the mix, something amazing happens. In part 2, we'll cover the final vitamin that rebuilds strength, energy, and balance from the inside out, and show you how to combine all 3 safely. So don't miss it. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next powerful step in taking back your legs.